Good morning, Mary.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mom, Dad.
Lily, do you know what today is?
Is it vacation day?
We are going to travel on vacation.
What is vacation?
A vacation is time to replace.
What?
Yes, Lily, a new country.
John, where do you want to go?
I want to go to a beautiful country.
I want to see airplanes.
The airport.
I like the airport.
We need to pack our bags.
I pack my clothes.
I pack my toy.
Good job, Lily.
Thank you, Mom. Look, my passport.
Yes, sweetie, it's right here.
Great. Let's pack the clothes.
And my shoes.
At the airport, we check in.
We show our passports.
Do we fly?
Yes, Lily, we fly on an airplane.
I feel nervous.
It's okay, Lily.
We are together.
I feel safe with you.
Tomorrow is travel day.
We wake up early.
I am excited.
Sweet dreams, my little one.
We love you very much.
I love you too.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
I am ready too.
Our vacation begins. Let's go.
Let's go on vacation. Wow, this place is big.
There are many people here.
Where are they going here?
They are traveling just like us.
John, what do we do first?
First, we check in.
What is check-in?
Check-in is when we get our boarding passes. Our counter is over there.
Let's go. I see it.
Good job, Lily.
Why are we waiting?
We are waiting in line.
Everyone waits their turn.
Okay, I can wait.
Good morning.
Good morning. May I see your passports?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you.
What is this paper?
This is a boarding pass.
We need it to get on the airplane. I will keep mine safe.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
That was easy.
I feel scared.
It's okay, Lily.
This is security check.
What do we do?
We put our bags here.
And we walk through.
That's it?
Yes, that's it.
I'm not scared now.
You did great.
I'm proud of you. Wow, it's moving! Yes, it goes through the scanner now.
It checks for safety.
So cool! I see the airplane!
Yes, that is our airplane.
We will board soon.
They are calling our flight.
It's time to board.
I'm excited again!
Please stand in line.
I remember. We wait. Yes, very good.
Hello, boarding for 3.
Welcome aboard. Your tickets, please.
Yay, we're going on the plane!
Yes, we are. Thank you.
The airplane is long.
Yes, it is very long.
Many people are flying today.
I like it.
Our seats are here. Row 18.
This is my seat.
Yes, this is your seat.
Sit down, Lily.
Okay,
Please fasten your seatbelt.
like this?
Yes, like that.
I can see outside.
What do you see?
I see the wing.
And soon we will see the sky.
Please listen to the safety instructions.
Let's listen.
Yes, it's important.
I'm listening.
The airplane is moving.
Yes, we are going now.
We are going to take off.
I feel it. We are flying.
Yes, we are flying.
Look, the ground is small now.
Wow. The clouds look soft. They look like cotton.
But we cannot touch them.
I know.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please.
Water, please?
Juice, please. This juice is good.
I'm glad you like it.
This is a nice flight.
What will we do on vacation?
We will see new places.
And meet new people.
I want to learn new words. I feel sleepy.
You can sleep. We have time. Traveling is exciting,
And sometimes tiring.
but it's always a good experience. Our vacation has started, and many moments are coming.
I like traveling. Mom, Dad, look, the city's so tiny.
It is, sweetie. What a view.
Absolutely, we're up so high. The seatbelt sign is off.
We can stand up soon.
Can I stand now?
Not yet. Wait a moment.
The air feels warm.
Yes, this country is warm.
Welcome to our vacation.
Where are we now?
We are in the arrival terminal. Next is passport control.
What is that?
Passport control is where officers check our passports.
They make sure we can enter the country. Is it scary?
No, it's easy. All right, everyone ready?
Yes, so excited. Yay, let's go.
This way to our gate.
There are many people.
Yes, many travelers.
We wait again.
Yes, we wait.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is the purpose of your visit?
We are on vacation. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Look, Daddy, my passport.
And Teddy's ready too, I see.
You're both set for the big adventure.
Yay!
Now we go to baggage claim.
To get our bags?
Yes, exactly.
I see many bags.
Look for ours.
Our bag is blue. There, that one.
Yes, good eyes.
You found it.
We are outside.
Yes, welcome to a new country.
Our vacation really begins now. It looks different.
Yes, every country is different.
And that's why traveling is special.
We need a taxi to the hotel.
What is a taxi?
These are taxis.
There are many cars.
A taxi is a car that takes us places.
Like a bus?
Yes, but smaller. Hello, where are you going? Hello, we are going to the Blue Ocean Hotel. Okay, please get in.
Thank you.
This seat is soft.
Sit comfortably. Please wear your seatbelt.
We are moving again.
Yes, we are going to the hotel.
Look outside.
The houses are colorful.
Yes, very colorful.
This place feels alive. Is this your first time here? Yes, it is.
We are very happy to be here.
Welcome. You will enjoy it.
The weather is nice.
Yes, it's warm.
Is it always warm?
Mostly yes. We are here. Great, thank you.
Is this our hotel?
Yes, this is our hotel.
How much is it? It's $20. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful.
Let's check in.
Good evening, welcome.
Good evening. We have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
My name is John Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter.
Yes, that's us.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
What is that?
Our room is on the 3rd floor.
Can we use the elevator?
Yes, we can.
Wow, this room is big.
Yes, it's very spacious. This will be our home for a few days.
There is a bed.
There are 2 beds.
And a TV.
I like the bed. This one is mine.
Okay, that is your bed.
And this is ours.
Wow, what an incredible view! I could just look at this all day. It's absolutely magical.
The air feels nice.
Yes, it feels warm.
This place is relaxing. Let's unpack.
What does unpack mean?
It means taking clothes out.
These clothes are light.
Yes, they are for warm weather.
Put them in the drawer.
I can help. Thank you, Lily.
You are very helpful. I feel tired.
Yes, traveling is tiring. I'm tired too.
Let's rest for a few minutes.
That's a good idea.
I like resting. There is a bathroom. Yes, with a shower and clean towels. I want to take a shower. Me too. After me.
What should we do today?
We can rest now.
And go out later? I'm excited. We'll explore the area.
Yes, later. Sleep a little.
Okay.
We will wake you soon. This room feels peaceful.
Yes, it's a nice place.
Are we going out now?
Yes, we are. Let's explore the area.
The elevator is moving down.
Yes, we are going to the ground floor.
Almost there.
It's bright outside.
Yes, it's a sunny day.
Perfect weather for walking.
There are many shops.
Yes, and cafes too.
This neighborhood looks nice. Where should we go?
Let's walk straight.
Straight means forward.
Yes, forward.
I like walking here.
It's calm and friendly.
Walking is a good way to see things. Excuse me. Yes? Where is the cafe? It's just down this street. It's over there. Thank you. You're welcome.
Over there means that way?
Yes, that way.
You're learning fast.
We are here.
Yes, we found it.
Good walking.
What is that place?
That's a cafe. I want coffee.
Me too.
What about me?
You can have juice.
I'm thirsty.
We'll order drinks.
Let's sit here.
I can't read everything.
That's okay.
Pictures help.
I want this one!
That looks delicious, sweetie.
Good choice. Let's get it.
This is nice.
Yes, very nice.
This is why we travel.
I'm using English.
Yes, you are.
And you're doing great. Ready to walk more?
Yes. Let's go. It's our last morning here.
Yes. Our vacation is
I
ending.
want to go home.
I know, Lily.
I love this place.
Lily, put your toys in the bag.
Okay, Dad.
John, do we have everything?
Yes. Clothes, gifts, and tickets.
I packed my teddy bear.
This hotel was very nice.
Yes. The people were friendly.
I liked my room.
Let's say goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you.
Daddy, can we come back again?
Maybe one day.
Traveling teaches many things.
That's wonderful. Good morning. We want to check in.
Here are our passports.
I have my bag.
Very good, Lily.
Please follow me.
I am tired.
You can rest. Our flight will leave soon.
I will sleep on the plane.
That's a good idea.
I feel sleepy.
Close your eyes, Lily. We are going home now.
Home is waiting for us.
Good night. We are home.
Yes. Welcome back.
Home feels good.
I love our home.
Me too.
What was your favorite part, Lily?
The plane and the hotel.
I liked meeting new people.
Can we travel again?
When we travel, we learn. We learn new places and new words.
I learned English words.
English is easy with practice.